I'm going to say something that's going to make a lot of chicken keepers uncomfortable. Chickens are overrated. I know, I said it. Look, if you're keeping backyard chickens right now, I'm not here to attack your lifestyle. But if you're doing it for eggs, for meat, or to actually save money, there's something you need to know. Something most people in the backyard farming world don't talk about. Ducks are doing everything your chickens do, and they're doing it better, cheaper, and with a fraction of the headaches. Stay with me for the next few minutes, and I'll show you exactly why. Real numbers, real comparisons, no fluff. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button right now. Because what we're building on this channel is a complete roadmap to backyard farming that actually makes financial sense. You're going to want to be here for all of it. Let's start with the thing nobody wants to talk about when they're selling you a backyard chicken setup: respiratory disease. Chickens are extremely vulnerable to respiratory infections. Mycoplasma, Newcastle disease, infectious bronchitis. These aren't rare. They're common. And when one bird in your flock gets sick, it moves fast. Really fast. I've heard from backyard farmers who lost entire flocks in under 2 weeks. Everything they built, gone. Ducks don't have this problem. Ducks have a fundamentally different respiratory system. They are significantly more resistant to the airborne diseases that wipe out chicken flocks. They handle cold and wet weather without flinching, which ironically is exactly the kind of weather that destroys backyard chickens. This isn't a small difference. If you're serious about building something sustainable with backyard poultry farming, disease resistance alone is a reason to choose ducks. You spend less on vet bills, you lose fewer birds. Your operation stays stable. Here's another thing backyard chicken keepers deal with that duck owners almost never do: pest control. Slugs, snails, mosquito larvae, beetles, grubs. Ducks eat all of it aggressively, happily, like it's their job. Because it is their job, backyard ducks are one of the most effective natural pest control systems you can have on a property. They patrol the yard, they hit the garden, they go after insects that destroy crops. And they do it for free, as part of their natural foraging behavior. Chickens scratch and peck, sure, but ducks are hunters. They're constantly moving, constantly foraging, and constantly reducing your feed cost in the process. And that brings me to the money side of this, because this is where it really gets interesting. Let's talk about duck eggs versus chicken eggs. And I want to give you real numbers here, not estimates. A dozen chicken eggs at the farmer's market right now sells for somewhere between $2 and $4. That's the going rate in most areas. A dozen duck eggs, $6 to $10. Some specialty markets and health food stores are paying $12. Same product, an egg. But duck eggs are selling for 2 to 3 times more. Why? Because duck eggs are bigger. A single duck egg is about 30% larger than a chicken egg. They have more protein, more fat, richer yolk. Bakers specifically seek them out because they make baked goods rise better. People with mild chicken egg sensitivities can often eat duck eggs without any issue. Duck eggs are a premium product in a market where chicken eggs are a commodity. That's a massive difference if you're selling. Now let's put that into numbers. A Khaki Campbell duck, one of the best egg-laying breeds in the world, produces around 300 eggs per year. That's comparable to the top-laying chicken breeds. 10 Khaki Campbell hens, 300 eggs each per year. That's 3,000 eggs. Add $8 a dozen, that's $2,000 a year from 10 birds. Your feed cost for 10 ducks, assuming they have access to forage, maybe $300 to $400 a year. That's $1,600 in net return from 10 ducks, from a backyard setup. Now run those same numbers with chicken selling at $3 a dozen. The math is completely different. Let's talk about meat for a second, because this is a huge opportunity that almost nobody in the backyard farming world is capitalizing on right now. Duck meat is a premium protein. In restaurants, duck breast sells for more per pound than almost any other common poultry, At farm direct prices, a processed Pekin duck, which reaches market weight at around 7 to 8 weeks, sells for $5 to $8 per pound. Think about that. 7 to 8 weeks from duckling to market weight. That is cash in your pocket in under 2 months. You can run 5 cycles of this a year. 5. That means one batch of 10 Pekin ducks, which costs you maybe $30 to $40 in ducklings, turns into 5 separate income events every single year. For someone who doesn't have a lot of starting capital, that speed of return is everything. A single Pekin duck at market weight is around 7 pounds. That's $35 to $55 per bird, farm direct. Now think about this. How many people in your area are selling duck meat directly to consumers? In most regions, the answer is almost none. You're not competing with 10 other people. You're filling a gap that exists in almost every local food market in the country. Low competition, premium price, fast turnaround, 7 to 8 weeks from duckling to market weight. This is genuinely one of the best small farm income opportunities right now. All right, let's put it all on the table. Ducks versus chickens, head to head. Disease resistance, ducks win. Not close. Pest control, ducks win. Chickens scratch, ducks hunt. Egg price at market, ducks win. 2 to 3 times higher per dozen. Egg volume, roughly equal at the top breeds. Khaki Campbells match the best laying hens. Meat premium, ducks win. Higher price per pound, less competition. Cold weather hardiness, ducks win. They were built for it. Noise. Okay, chickens might win this one. Ducks can be loud, especially females. If you have very close neighbors, that's worth factoring in. Space for water. Chickens win here too. Ducks need access to water for dipping their heads, which adds a small management step. But overall, if your goal is backyard farming that produces real food, real income, and stays healthy without constant vet bills, ducks are the smarter choice. It's not even close. If you watched our last video, you already know how to start a duck farm for under $50. Full setup. Housing, feed, water, best breeds, all of it covered from scratch. If you haven't seen it yet, I'll link it right here. Go watch it after this because it's the natural next step. The short version is this. Start small, 5 to 8 ducks. Get Khaki Campbells if eggs are your goal. Get Pekins if you want meat. Get Muscovy ducks if you want both. Give yourself 30 days to learn how they behave, what they eat, how much they forage. By month 2, you'll have a system. By month 3, you'll understand exactly why so many people who switch from chickens to ducks never go back. Backyard chickens are fine. But if you're serious about building something that produces real food and real income from a small piece of land, ducks deserve a serious look. The math is better, the health is better, the market opportunity is better. If this video opened your eyes a little, subscribe to Livestock Mastery and hit the bell. We're going deep on duck farming, backyard poultry, and building real income from small farm setups. In the next video, we're talking about one specific duck breed that most people completely overlook. It's called the Muscovy duck. And honestly, it might be the most profitable duck you're not raising right now. Eggs, meat, low feed cost, almost zero disease issues. This bird does everything. That video is coming very soon. But before you go, I need you to drop a comment right now. Are you team chicken or team duck? Because the math we just went through is pretty hard to argue with. And if you're still defending chickens after seeing all of this, I genuinely want to know why. Let's settle this in the comments. See you in the next one.